And these are fifth graders, and they are playing indoor soccer. We're playing small-sided games, so we don't have any more than 3 or 4 per game. And while we're doing that, we don't have any goalies. And one of our rules are we have to have a pass in order to score. She's looking to set it up, looking for somebody to pass to. Kids really like it much better. You know, first they didn't like the rule, but then once they got doing it, they found that everybody gets more involved playing by these rules. The game doesn't get dominated by one really good player. They learn to share. That was a very nice assist right there. And that's what we end up developing. A lot of good teamwork, a lot of good passing. So we have a game right here. We have a game over there. We have a game on this side. You know, we have some things like this where they go out of bounds and they're going to do a throw in. There's an open door there. And we have another game going over there. So that is our indoor soccer. Every once in a while the balls go to the other side, but these border patrol things we have, the providers in the gym look really nice. And then we just use folding mats as our goal. So there was another nice assist that I missed while I was showing you what we use for goals. So this is how we run our soccer game. And we do some fun little goofy things later on. We might do some three-legged soccer and scooter soccer. We give them a whole realm of things that they can do. They really like it.